Welcome back to Mama Joan house where it's hot. And when she said it hot, you don't know what she mean? It hot like a Scotch bonnet pepper. Today, my friends, I have a spicy, epic video for you guys. Well, to do for you guys. Guys, when I plan for do, Daddy Dilo is coming over here. And I just said to Papa Harry, Papa Harry, D'Angelo are coming. Make we just cook up a thing pan him now. So what we do is, guys, we go upstairs and pretend like we are having fun, like we're doing adult things. But guys, we're not doing nothing. We're fully dressed, fully clothing, but we want to see his reaction and his face, or we would have behave if him come catch me and him dad doing something. So that is what I am going to do to him today, guys. So guys, before I get into the video, I want you guys to like, subscribe, and hit my post notification bell so you don't miss a post when I post. Because you know Mama Joan dip on it again. You understand? With this epic one here. Okay, guys? So I'll be right back.
Well, okay. We and this boy when it comes. Well, oh.
Why this a bed don't make no sound. Notice it don't make no sound. This a bed don't make no sound whatsoever. No sound whatsoever. This a bed don't make just as quiet as ever.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Okay.
Mom? Mom?
People room.
D'Angelo, hold on. D'Angelo, why you always have to come here and don't knock the door?
What are you guys doing? What the bloody kill you the star? I mean now what we are do? We in our room lock up.
You guys are dinosaurs. You guys not some...
Dinosaurs have baby too.
Oh! You can't come at people's house and just come in there. Come inside and don't knock the door.
I knocked the door. You guys should have said something when I knocked the door.
We was under pressure. We was working. What we say?
Shit. I don't want to even hear it. I can't do it.
We working, my youth. Where you there?
I'm sick.
You wet up the where the vomit? The man wet up the whole of the place, Joan.
Oh, you managed to wet up the place?
Man,
You didn't
it's
vomit? D'Angelo, come on in here. Come on.
Go.
D'Angelo, can you come in?
No, okay, well, easy, man, you know.
D'Angelo.
Easy, man,
D'Angelo.
relax, man, you can't go out.
Don't touch me, please. Don't touch me.
Why?
Okay,
Why we can't?
why we can't touch you?
Why we can't touch you, D'Angelo? Why we can't touch you?
First off,
Yeah.
You know, that was the same thing that made you even
no.
exist.
But how was your head popping out from the other side of the...
Oh, you mean, listen. Oh, you mean, Ed was.
Do-
Oh, you mean, Ed was
I don't
popping up
understand
on the
that
other
question.
side. What do you mean,
What
Ed
other
popping up? Man, that's none of your business.
Yeah,
Okay?
you know,
That is
yeah.
none of your business. The thing about it with you know, D'Angelo, you want to come on the one for have fun. We can't have fun too. We're just as young as you.
No, God! No, God, please, no!
What do you think, sir? We think, sir, we are old people.
We don't know
We are
nothing about them,
dinosaurs.
something.
It's the same like on the one thing.
I
That,
know.
but
I know about-
you want to have a fun too. So
What
something
fun?
wrong with that? Something wrong with it. Listen, I hit bring her come here.
Dilo.
When you guys did that for me,
Yeah.
you guys did that to get me?
Yes. What do you think?
So
You think
when you
you're
come
coming?
into the room, I saw you catch me. Yeah, no, you're not dead. Because you just vomit. You just see my head pop up and you vomit.
D'Angelo.
Hey, you take man for you think man dead?
D'Angelo.
Man want them fun too.
Don't do that.
I mean, don't do what?
What?
You gonna need a hip replacement with
If you
that.
do, if not,
What did he say?
You just shoot about hip replacement.
Okay, why you
Hey,
talking
we
about
young
hip-
and vibrant and ready and hip and every time you think I wanna alone you.
Mom, don't touch me. Stop touching me. Stop touching me. I'm
is
being
it same
serious.
like how you can do whatever?
Yeah,
Nothing wrong with we try to
I
do
mean, this
whatever.
cute just
D'Angelo, I bring a come here. Something wrong with
Don't stop.
I mean, we do it every other friggin' night. yeah,
every
girl.
other,
So if
every
me
night.
You are the Virgin Mary the last time I checked. I'm not playing with
hell
nobody.
no,
3, 4
hell
kids.
no, hell no.
All of them, they pick the wrong. You know, you
Listen.
think I just saw them come, you think I...
Hey,
You guys just do
hey, it's like,
You know, my youth, my right
Nothing wrong if we do what we do. So, yeah.
What?
So we can do it in. And we can do some push-up too.
you know what of them you do every
We
day.
do that too.
You know, what you think? What you take man for?
So wait.
Man have to do them things when me do my
Yeah.
exercise and done.
Mhm.
My body get hot.
And I'm ready like a
I'm ready, I'm drink some punch, my youth, me
I
can't help
know.
I'm
nothing.
actually really
Me,
disturbed
I
right now.
know what? Me ready for him too. The two of we
Hey,
together
I
like
share the
that.
ever ready battery.
I mean, man.
I share the ever ready
You ever
battery.
see the commercial yet? No, me not ever ready battery. Me the one with the friggin' we call it-
Energizer.
No, yes.
No,
The bunny, the energizer, bunny.
I mean, you energize me. Oh, yes, you're the energizer for real. You're the ever ready.
Yes,
You are the-
energizer. Yes. So
You
nothing
know,
wrong with that.
then how you think? You get now, you think
My youth, we do that all the time. You fast and you end up coming out of the room. Next time when you come in here,
It's midday.
so
you have special time?
At them time.
You know,
Wicked.
anytime at them time, get nice for one.
Try it.
You will learn. So look, you come through the door, you get to learn something. Do you anytime?
Best time.
Night, morning,
Yeah.
noon.
Nothing not good like afternoon.
Oh,
So if me never
but you
tell
see,
you then,
with the
if
sun,
me never tell you then, me I tell you now. You see the afternoon thing, that are the thing. You see the midnight thing, I eat that thing that you see afternoon is when it proper. You see
Can you
when that
stop?
sun
Can you stop?
you see when that sun lick the roof of that
Man,
the
your
house
kids
there.
come. Your kids them come
What?
over every single time.
Not
anytime.
during the day.
and when
Everybody in
Put
a
a.
school.
If you guys are doing what you guys do, you guys
Yeah.
do. You guys do what you guys are doing.
Right.
Put a sign outside. Put a sock on the door. It's a universal
Why?
sign
Why?
of do not, because it means do not disturb.
What is we don't know nothing about that.
When we were teaching you that
We
when
don't-
you knock, you don't just knock out, open and come.
You-
Somebody have to inside
Inside
and
and-
respond to
and
you
to you
first
first. But
and
you just
say,
knock
come
and push
in.
door, come
Did you
in.
hear somebody say come in?
Nobody never said
Did you
that.
hear somebody say come in? So you entitled anything when you get you have to take. Cause you never said the password. You say we did say come in, then we could have said no.
But you just push, you
I
just
knocked
knock
the-
door.
I
and
knocked
push.
the
Yeah,
door.
but you
I
knock
said,
the door
"Mom."
and push door, come in. Nobody never say enter.
I said, Mom, I
We
knocked the
did
door.
not say enter. We did
Did
not
we say
say enter.
enter?
You push, you say, Mom, I push door, come
Yeah.
in. So anything you see, and you give your sore eye, and your problem
And you
that.
vomit.
Yeah, you vomit
You
on top of it.
I'm
So
sick.
what's so
My
gross
eyes are,
about
my
that?
eyes are burning. I can't
But
believe
I
what I
can't see why you're
just...
sick, dealer.
Why would you sick?
Why would you be
Because
sick?
you guys are doing illegal actions to your own self. You guys,
illegal.
if I didn't come to stop whatever was,
What you say? You're safe.
I probably could have come and seen you guys in a. You're laughing.
Why
You guys,
you
you guys are too old for that.
Yeah, you come
You guys,
good
are,
time.
that stuff should be extinct to you guys.
Why?
You come good time.
Why should that be instinct to us? No, is it instinct to you?
Holy shit.
I'm asking you a question.
You know,
Is
wait
it-
till you reach my ear.
I'm asking you a question. Is it
I'm not. I don't want to hear
instinct
nothing from
to
you because your head come out from I don't even know what side of the
Let
bed that
me
was.
tell you something. The older
Only
you
one
get,
side of the bed. There's only two sides of the bed.
Yeah, and your head came out from the wrong side of the bed.
Did it? That was the wrong side.
let me tell you something. The older you get, and the more you go want to do the stuff that we do right now. Okay, so you will see when you get older.
Can I go now?
So this is.
I was leaving the house. I didn't want to be rude.
We do
Can
this
I
thing.
go now, please?
We do this thing every other day.
Okay, I don't need to know when you do or how you do. Can you just just dismiss me, please, so I can go where I'm going, please?
Okay, so you feel better now? Do you feel better?
Did you learn anything?
Like how we explain, do you learn anything from the process? Like how I tell us that the afternoon time is the best time.
No, that means don't come over here. That's what it means. Don't
Don't
come over here.
You read it wrong, man. You read it wrong. That's the farthest thing we ever say about you, don't come. No.
It's just a it's just a prank.
What?
It's just a prank.
What's a prank?
Oh, you mean what's up? Because you said on the bed my head today. Yeah, that's something no you read for. Yes, you said on the bed my head today. What could I do with my head? Down there, so I feel head up there, so. My you are a nasty motherfucker. I think me still like you. That's why I have the intention of your blood clot. Have you know? That's why you think I vomit to blood clot. I think me I do it now. Me not live so.
D'Angelo, it's just a prank. I know that you were coming here, and I said to your dad, say, you know, D'Angelo, I come here, so maybe I go upstairs and pretend like we are do something. We see how him would react. But it's just a prank. Can I touch you now?
No, because I still can't get it out of my head. Don't touch me.
But after you didn't see nothing, what
do you mean? I see this.
No. That's all this I was made. And then you start get corrupted in your mind. I start thinking I'm like a dirty thought.
D'Angelo.
And all this was me. You don't know where that come from.
Yeah.
Because I never even know when you're your mama.
It's just a prank. Okay, we don't do that. Look, watch there.
Yeah, your mother fully soon.
Watch there.
Your mother fully, I wish I was blood clot. Go there. Your mother fully soon.
So, Papa Harry, you think we got daddy dealer?
Yeah, man, the boy, you don't know the boy, turn already. Dirty boy. Must get got, man. That boy.
Anyway,
Put a
guys,
sock on the door.
We don't know nothing about putting sock on the door. That is university thing. When them a go to college, them put sock on the door for sure. Say people in a them room. We don't know nothing about that.
Put a tie on the door. Something on the door that says it's occupied in there.
You wanted emphasis, so we don't know what kind of time we're talking about.
So anyway, guys, we come to the end of the video, and I would like you guys to like, subscribe, and hit my post notification bell so you don't miss a post when I post. And that the deal got. And guys, I'm asking you, please, I need 10,000 likes on this video here. Get this video viral for Mama Joe.
Viral.
Okay.
Sheesh.
Okay, guys. So I will see you guys in the next one.
And don't do this to your young kids again, guys.